All right, hello. Hold on, me. Turn that down a little bit. Right there. All right, hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream. Move that over. Right there. Yeah. All right. Today, hold on. Hello everybody. Welcome to the stream. Today, I want to rig and test some things on the MetaHuman. I am going to be condensing my projects down here as well. So I have the old project. Let me make sure you guys can see that. But I have the old project set up right here, and I've added the MetaHuman. I just need to basically make him move around, and that's all I really need to test things. And then yeah. So the hat, so I want to get these textures in. They're not final textures, they're just like they're just stand-in textures, but for now I just want to my roommate, by the way, my roommate Ani is here. I don't know if you in the background, if you're wondering who that is. What's up, Hunter? How's it going? How's your day going so far? I'm just spacing out these UVs right now. Been chill? That's good. Chilling is great. Honestly. I wish I could chill a little bit more, but that'll come with time. Honestly, I don't really wish I could chill. I just wish I could do this all day, every day. If I'm being honest. Okay, so what I need to do, what I'm doing right now is just baking all the textures so I can put it into Unreal. And then I need to rebake the suit textures and the bracelet and the boots, just because I changed the color and I just want to have all that done and out of the way. It'll be a little boring, I think, but then we'll get into the waiting part of the stream. Sure, yeah, all those are selected. Yeah, so that should clear up any bleed issues, and then hit bake, and we gotta wait for this to finish. My computer does get a little laggy while it's baking. Interesting. It should pop up here. We should have everything done and dusted. Yep, nothing's bleeding over. That's looking good. Yeah, that's honestly looking good. Okay. So we need that, and then we need, so let me save this real quick. So save as, and then static 93 exports textures. Then we need to add a folder for the hat, and then we'll call this, how did I name these? We'll name it the same way. And then hats. Hat. The texture, SAG 93 hat color, PNG, same image as. And then let's do the normal. You been working on anything recently, Hunter? I forget, you're not in school, are you still? You're like grown. Gripping. Well, I'm actually really interested to see what this looks like when it's done. I did go with AK textures, just because I'm not gonna have different LODs or anything like that. And plus it's a pretty small demo, so in terms of scaling, I haven't really messed with scaling. I've talked about that a little bit before, but scaling a game or a demo is something totally different. At normal, save image as, and we need to do the roughness, and then hit bake. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Is there some bleed over here? I think that's fine because the actual like faces themselves are fine. We're just gonna rock with it. Save. Oh, no, save as. And then instead of normal, we're gonna call this roughness. I was bleeding over. No, I think those are fine too. I eventually will come back in here and do just like a texture, like a better texturing, or I might just leave it and just work on the other suits. We'll see longer or a little bit further down the road. So we got the roughness. The colors, the normal. I'm gonna do maybe an occlusion as well and see if that makes a difference in Unreal. Fake. I don't know if we actually need this. It doesn't look like it's working properly, so I'm just, for now, I'm not gonna worry about that. Shadow, normal, UVs, roughness, matte, environmental, diffuse. I think we're good with those three. Okay, so let me change to this, and then we need to. Oh, let me close this real quick. One sec, guys. There you go. Little peek into how I make my thumbnails, so just use Photoshop. You guys can, yeah, you guys can hear the background music. Okay, so let's go to modeling. Okay, so now let's get to rigging the hat. So to do this, I already have the root. So this root right here is the metahuman base skeleton. This is the duplicate of the metahuman body that I'm using. So what I need to do right here is just go to the hat and then add a vertex group. Let's call this hat. And then BB girl, get out of here, bro. You know my name. No, I'm just playing. What's up, Emmett? Love you, bro. Miss you, actually. I miss you guys so much, you and Armand. Oh man, I really do wish like I could see you guys more. You tattooing today, Armand? Or fuck, Emin? I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I'm working on Munch. Armand is working on Hellboy, but he's helping me with music right now. Ooh, like making music or for Munch, or come visit probably after June. Word? Okay, that's hype. Definitely let me know, because I do have a birthday party to go to in July. I think it's towards the end though. Okay, so let me get out of x-ray mode. So this, I need to go into pose mode, and that's head, the head bone, I should say. And then, okay, so let's get out of there and then go into here. It's hat group, and then call this head, and then go into edit mode, select all, hit assign, deselect, just to make sure it worked. And then we're gonna go into pose mode again, grab this, then rotate it. Oh, whoops, I forgot to add the armature. Oh, my keybinds aren't showing, sorry. There we go. Forgot to turn that on. Nah, I'm Walgreens today and making a playlist. Oh, for Munch? That's dope. That's dope, bro. Bro, Emid, we low-key have like a content house right now. It's not technically a content house, it's more like a studio, honestly. But with me and Ani here, like in our office, it's like insane. Like he has his PC, I have my PC. It's just dope. Like it's a really cool feeling. I mean, I guess this is what you and Armand feel like all the time, because you guys like wake up with each other, get to work together and all that stuff. Super dope. So I need to add, go to hat, add modifier, add a armature. I'm just gonna call this root, and then the root. So now when I go into pose mode and I rotate this, it doesn't work. Oh, I think it's because it's lowercase. Hold on, let me go into the vertex groups. And then now it should work. If I rotate, yeah, there we go. So the hat is fully weighted now. It doesn't need to deform with the face or anything, so you just have that be on its own. I'm gonna select all these, Alt G R S. Wait, oh, Alt G R S. Reset those, and then I'm gonna select that and the hat, and then we're going to export it. FBX, export, and call this skm underscore at underscore static 93. At underscore static 93, and then go to Unreal Engine export. And then before I do this, let me make sure all the smoothing is right. So let me just shade flat, shade smooth. Yep, everything's looking good. Armature, let's go to geometry. The modifier strangulate faces edge. Yeah, it's all good. Okay, now let's go into Unreal, and I need to pull up my files up here. So proud of you, brother. Thank you. This Devon is not the same one that I met years ago, and he's all met years ago, but he always was right. I could read. Wait, this Devon is not the same one that I met years ago, but he always was right. Yeah, I feel like I was deep. Like, if you're saying like I've always been like this person, yeah. I feel like deep down I've always been this person. I think just like slowly through conversations and experiences, life experiences, and through meeting people and talking to people, I just kind of became more comfortable with myself and not like really worrying about what other people think of me, or like just being fully comfortable with who I am instead of trying to like keep it and hide it away. Obviously now I'm streaming and everything, but a lot of that is because of you, Emin and Armand, helping me out, being great friends, great brothers, for sure. I mean, I did a little bit of work on my own, but definitely went through some tough times in the last couple of years. Okay, so Blender files, costumes, exports, and then hat. Okay, let's pull up content drawer, and then need to go to characters, old. Let's make a new folder, call it static. And then make a new folder, call it character underscore assets. That's not right. Oops. Okay, and then let's make a new folder and call it hat. And then grab this, drag it in here. Okay, so we want to use the metahuman base skeleton base archetype. Where's the flip-flops casual metahuman base skeleton base archetype? I think it's this one, and then the physics asset, we want to make another one of those. So create a new one, and then materials, do not create, textures, don't import, and then animation, don't import, convert scene unit. I think we're good. Oh wow. Yeah, that's actually funny. So this is the material for the hat brim from way back when. So if I go to characters and then I go to old, I go to static, and then I go to static 1, that's these materials from the original one that I had. So this is the original suit that I had, and like this lightning bolt is a separate mesh from here, so it didn't deform properly. But and that's the OG hat. Let me set up this material and then compare the OG hat to the new hat. Yeah, I never showed this hat on my channel, but yeah, it definitely was like I was definitely proud of it, but like I was like, dude, I could do way better. I know I can. And then there's the old bracelets. Oh, Jesus, man. Like the small details really make a difference, I feel. Okay, so let me go back in here. Static. So characters, static, assets, hat, and then add new folders. Oh, I'm only gonna have one material, so let's just call this textures. And then now we need to import our textures from here. Oh, excuse me. That normal, the normal didn't save right, I don't think. Yeah, it didn't. Okay, let's I gotta redo that real quick. Go into shading, and then here, and then change this to normal. I gotta resave the normal map. Oh, oops, fake. It was kind of rough. Thankfully, you changed it. Not kinda, it was rough. Yeah, bro, it was rough. It was not, that shit was not okay. I mean, it was, for a first attempt, I feel like it was really good compared to like back in the day. Let me save as normal. Now that should be updated. Yeah, let's bring this over to Unreal. Drag those over. Bingo, bango, bongo. Okay. Make a new material. Call it m underscore. How did I name? Let me go look at. Oh. Let me do this then. I can't go look at it because I got rid of it. Dude, whenever I'm so bad at organizing files, sometimes like when I do it, I end up like deleting things that I need or things that I don't need but would be helpful as reference. But it's fine. So we're gonna call this m underscore at. We're gonna do what it is first and then the costume it's for next, because I think hat is more important for this. 93. So m underscore static 93, and then we're gonna bring up this textures, grab these and bring them in here, and see how well this translated over. Color up here, roughness up here, and the normal down here. So put this into the base color, and then put this one into the roughness, and then put this one into the normal. That's looking, I think this is gonna look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I think it translated over really well. Yeah, let's see. And then oh, I forgot to get rid of these. We're just gonna call this underscore, and then underscore static 93, and then reset or delete. Can I not delete this material slot? Hello? I might have to re-import this. Yeah, I do. Okay, one sec. Get rid of these, force delete, and then let's go into here. So we have to go to model, and then let's get out of edit mode, shift D to duplicate this, and then this hat. We're calling this hat underscore E, so we know it's the exported hat. And then we're gonna go into materials, and then we're just gonna delete all these slots, add a slot, and then don't add a material to it. And then we're gonna go to file, or let me do that, file, export FBX, SKM. That should be all good. And then let's go back to here. I think we changed it. Kind of looks great. But why the giant ball? Oh, this is just so let me explain this real quick. So this is just the texture preview. So you can select different meshes to preview this material on. So you can pick like a cylinder. So it's just displaying the UV or the texture maps that we had, and it was just displaying those on top of this based on this UV setup that Unreal has. So if I do it on a plane, it's like that image exactly. Let's skip this song. But if I put it on a cube, then all the UVs are there. But I can do a static mesh as well, but I need to have it ready in the thing. So let's re-import this. Let's go to exports, and then go here. And then I need to select the metahuman base skeleton, verge scene unit. All this should be fine. Import all. Yep. Yep. And then we'll call this m underscore at underscore static 93. Just that way, no. And then we'll go in here, search our pat. And let's see, this is the moment of truth. See how well this ported over. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me see. I think that's pretty decent, not gonna lie. It's a pretty good port. That's a really good port, actually. Yeah, that looks really good. Does get a little jank on. I think that's just overlap. Yeah, that's definitely overlap. Dang it. Okay. So I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'll redo the textures later. I just have to move the UVs around to make sure nothing overlaps. I didn't do a well enough job checking all that. So the hat's fine for now. You guys can see like a bit of that process. Since we're just testing animations, I technically don't need to bake the new textures on stream for the suit and everything. I just need the model to be moving around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here, and then I'm not going to touch anything in this blueprint. I'm going to duplicate this blueprint and call it I think I already have a static BP. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna rename this to static old. And then I'll delete that so it doesn't cause any problems. And then we'll go back to metahumans, Virgil, duplicate, and then call this BP underscore static, and then move this to static. So now in here, I need to open up static old. Okay, so for now, all that we need are I just need begin play, and then I'm not gonna worry about any of this stuff, and I just need this because I'm not gonna worry about interaction right now or any of like the code actually working, but I do need to set up the controls. Let's begin play. We're gonna move this up here. Let's put this right here. There we go. That's ready to go. And then I just need the movement stuff. Oh God. Okay. Where's my movement? Oh, it's here. So we're just gonna grab this and then this. And then copy and then just paste this in here. I'm not really gonna worry about organization right now. This is pretty much all we need. And we'll do that just so I can understand it. And then we need the movement and we need the look around. Construction. Okay, so static hold. So we have that, and we need the, oh, that was the look. Okay, that was the look, and then we need the movement input. So we just need all of this. What's this? And that, and that. Okay. I think that's everything. It's really jumbled, and like, I'm sure it works properly, but, well, I know it works properly, but it's just really messy. But we can worry about that later. Okay. Yeah, that should be fine. Oh, I need to go in here, class settings, and change this from actor to character. And then hit compile. Somebody that I used to know, somebody my enemy. And this player controller. And then let me close this and then reopen it. Oh, it's a variable. And try to compile this again. Okay, so now we technically need to go through here and go to this and then replace this with mesh. Oh, sorry, I had my mic. Mesh. Okay, and then we're event graph. So I'm gonna look for the references to body. Face. Body right here. This is for live link. This is all for live link, so I don't think we need a, yeah, we need to mess with those. So arrow D, face, this should do all with face. Okay, so let me close all these and then change this to, I think this is for, yeah, this is for live link as well. It's fine, we could just change it to mesh right now. Okay, so hit compile and then body. I'm gonna go to viewport. So body. Hello? Okay, that's weird. But let's go to mesh and then short underway body. And then rotate you 90. Maybe move you up. Oh, sorry. Let me change that. Okay. So compile, go to test map, and then grab. I know this doesn't look great right now. Just chill. Okay. So save, or, and then we need to go here and attach. Wait. So these are all attached to the root. I don't know if I can. Oh, let me go into MetaHuman and then yeah, I think I'll just have to set this up differently. Okay, so we weighted the hat, the coat. I got like, what is it, 20, I got like 50 minutes left. So the coat is gonna be like a whole nother monster. I know I put down that I was gonna do the coat today too, or like rig it today, but I think, yeah, I think I'm just go in here and fix this. Okay, so oh, you can just delete those. Nope. And hit compile, update, and animator and editor. Right, because yeah, those are arranged there. Okay, so I think this is good, and then here we just need to reset this and this. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so then I need to go to content. See, this is why I like coloring my folders. Yo, how do you say your name? Is it Lise? Welcome back to the stream. Yeah, we imported this hat so far, and I'm working on we got the hat out of Blender and took it into Unreal. It's looking pretty good. It's got some mistakes in it, like with textures overlapping and everything, but that's fine. Overall, it looks really good. But yeah. Actually, let me add. Let me add a skeletal mesh here. And just call this hat and pairing it to the mesh. Where's it at? Hello? Oh. And reset that. Hey, he's wearing it now. So here there's this hat. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the animations first and then see if the hat works. So content, UE5, characters, mannequins, animations, menu. Let's just do idle. Let's retarget this idle. Target animations to this. And let's do MM. I don't need that one. We'll get rid of that one, but here, get rid of that one. So export animations, go to characters, static, character assets, new folder, call it animation, and then make a new folder, call it anim sequences, and then we're going to search for mm and then replace it with as underscore static. Oh, I'll replace mm with as and then add a suffix and then go underscore static. I'm going to export. So now we have all those. So now I can go into here and then wait a second. I want to test something out real quick. I just make this ragdoll. Character mesh. And then we will go to here and then make animation asset and idle. So we need to do the idle pose for this. So let's go here and Control D. And then delete feet and then put the hat in here and then viewport and compile Oh, whoops, forgot to plug it in. Compile, go to viewport. Still not working. Okay, let's just go here, hat, set leader, pose component, and then let's put mesh, put it right there. There we go. Look at that. Now the hat is following him. And that's all working. So the hat is weighted properly. So how much time do I have left? I have like 40 minutes still. You're making a different skin? No, I'm not making a different skin. I was just, so I had two separate projects. I had one with the suit, the one that you saw yesterday was the one with like the metahuman running around or like as a character, and then I had a separate one with all the old static code in it, like the actual like project in it. I don't know why I made them separate, but I'm basically combining those now and making this character like walk around and stuff. But yeah, seems like this workflow is doing pretty, or being fine, or his workflow is fine. But yeah, it's the same skin. So I'm trying to think, like, I don't think I have enough time to set up the code and everything. But I did weight the hat and set up the textures for it. Here, what I'll do is go into material mode, and then hat, let's replace this one just for visual purposes, and then so I don't want to do. Okay, so let me just in that case, let me just set up the materials again. Yeah, because I changed. Let me make sure these are final as well. Like, I'm not gonna change these at all. Let me go to shading. So this color right here, I wanted it to be like a paler gold. So this is like 2 gold, and then it's 2 green, so it needs to be like kind of like that. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Yeah, I got like 40 minutes left. So are you making the animations or he done already? The animations, well, so most of the animations I'm just gonna be retargeting. Let me bring up Mixamo real quick. I'll show you. Okay. So most of the animations I'm gonna use are these, and I'm just gonna retarget them over. So pretty much all the animations are done. There's gonna be some custom ones for flying, I know, because I think the only ones that they have for this is like I think they have like a hoverboard animation. Or like a surfing animation. I don't know, but basically what I'm trying to say is like I'm just gonna retarget the animations from here, and then any custom animations that I need to make, I'll make in Blender. I have a rigged model already for that. I can bring that up here. So this is the one. So this is where I did most of my animations. But I have like a rig already set up. So what I was gonna do is basically use this as a proxy, and then just retarget these animations over to the metahuman base skeleton so that it works. But that's a custom animation, and this one is just an idle. This is when I was testing out yeah, most animations are presets. Yeah, basically there's like pre-made animations that I'm just retargeting. So like even like this one, hold on, like this animation right here. So this was an animation on its own. So like these dots right here was already an animation. Wait, hold on. Those dots. Oh, let me just bring this down. This was a whole animation, and then I added this little bit on the end. Because like all the character did was like pull out like a axe or something from their back, and then I added this portion where there, if you see, there's like a custom bone in here that that moves with the character. And I don't want to set up any animations now because what I was gonna do was set up like physics assets, so I guess I could still do that this stream. So this hat, so in order for the cloth to work properly on the hat, I need to, hold on one sec. I might do the redo the UVs on this hat because I don't think I need those little slivers to be their own UV like parts. Static. This physics asset. So yeah, this right here. Snap. That's funny. Okay, let me fix this. Is there a way I can fix this? I don't know if I actually can. Hold on. UV mesh. It should just be this. I don't know why these are in here too. Oh, because I think because I'm using this skeleton, yeah, I don't know if I can make those disappear, if I'm being honest. But oh, because they all use the same skeleton, so they're all in here when I try to use this physics asset. Hold on. Current profile. Yeah, okay, so this is what I was wondering, like, could you change like what physics assets are being used by this? So I'm just gonna reopen this, see if that fixed it. Yeah, it did. Okay, additional meshes. Yeah, so it's just like additional meshes. I mean, I guess I could have those in there, but I don't really need it. What I really want to do is set up the shape of this hat. So because the cloth needs to, oh, so that's what's gonna go quick. Are the NMs in game also, or like not yet? They're not in here yet. I kind of do, so my workflow is like I make the code and then I put the animations in like at the very end of that. So, and I do have most of the code, but it needs to all be like organized. And here, I'll show you real quick. Whoa. So this is my old like blueprint for the character, the ones from my videos, and they're good and they're mostly organized, but there's a lot of jumbled stuff around. There's a lot of macros in here. It's like kind of, it's good, and it works, but it's inefficient, and I know how to do a lot of things better now. So I was just gonna go through all of this stuff and kind of make it cleaner. So instead of things looking like this all jumbled around and like this like kind of jumbled a little bit, definitely like this right here, like everything's jumbled like kind of around. And then don't even give me, I'm pretty sure there's a combat one too. Yeah, maybe get me started on all this stuff. But yeah, so instead of it all looking like that, it's all gonna look like this. Like there's gonna be separate what you call this, that describe everything. There's gonna be notes in it and all that stuff, just so that I know like when I'm testing and everything, if I need to change anything, like what I'm doing. Because like most of this stuff I do understand it, but like if I do it this way, I don't have to like go through the time of like reading through and I'm trying to understand things. When I need to change something, I could just change it. I go to where it needs to be changed and change it. So we're just gonna go ahead and delete that and then show all bone names. Spine, where's head at? Hello? There it is. So head, and then let's add shape, and let's add a capsule. Let's hide bones, and let's scale this down. Let's rotate it this way. Scale this in the Z and scale this down some more. So like right there. So here. Oh my gosh. I really wish I could do this in Blender. Because I hate this viewport. Not gonna lie. Everything else is great, but the viewport is terrible, actually. And then I'm pretty sure I can duplicate this. Let me show bones again, and then where'd it go? Oh, there it is. All right. Copy properties. Oh boy. Hold on. Physical type copy. Be selected shapes to. Oh. Can I paste? Object collision from static. Wait. Oh. Okay. Hold on. Because instead of setting up physics bodies like that, I could just use the static mesh instead. Interesting. Okay, so here like 30 minutes. Okay, let's exit this out. So what I'm thinking about right now is like how to, like, I don't want to do something that I'm gonna have to redo later. I'd rather just do it all once. Let me see something real quick. Compilation from static mesh. Let's just pick a, like, let's just pick this. Ah, I see. That's cool. Okay. So I can set up a physics body that is just a static mesh, which is nice. Because then I can go into here and then let me go to modeling. Tab out of here. And then IDU, and then go to hat base. I could just use this for the collision. And I really don't care about the hat brim. I guess I could keep that in there though. How many vertices or triangle? That's fine. Is there any way I can make this more efficient though? And the pivot point. Let's make the pivot point right here. Okay, well, let me actually, how about it here? Shift duplicate this, do the hat, and then hat base. Let's do hat underscore collision. All right, let's go modifiers and then get rid of this subdivision and then shift or control A to apply the mirror and go into edit mode. And then no, I need to set the origin to, oh yeah, cursor to selected, and then origin to 3D cursor. I feel like I've heard this song. Hold on. Let me change this music. Okay. So hat collision file, export FBX at underscore collision. Underscore static. SKM hat collision. Actually, instead of setting the pivot point there, I should just set it to let me just do, oh well, control A, apply all transforms. There we go. So now I don't have to line it up anymore as well. And back to file view, get rid of armature, just do mesh, and then collision, and hit export. Did it close? Oh, it crashed. Your project crashed. You could start working on map if you're done with some stuff. So the map, I could start working on it. I still need to sit down and do, hold on one second. I still need to do some designing for the tutorial map that I want, because I don't know. I actually want to get you guys' opinion on this. So Hunter and Lise, if you're still here, and Emmett and Armana, if you're still here, do you guys think the tutorial level should be like on the rooftops? So what I was gonna do is like have each section, like have an interaction section, a combat section, and a flying section, and I was gonna have it be like on rooftops, and then the setting for it was like hardware. If you guys don't know who Hardware is, he's another milestone hero from the Dakotaverse. Oh no, if it didn't save, I'm gonna be really upset. But he's another hero from the, okay, it saved, weird. From the Dakotaverse, and then basically he set up like a simulator for static, and he's like letting him like mess around in it, and he set up different like obstacles for him just to like test out his powers and everything as a tutorial. So I was thinking of doing that. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, cool. I was thinking of doing that, either that or like making the first level like itself, and then like having the player learn as they go through the level basically. like have it like incorporated, kind of like how most games do it now, where the instead of having like a set tutorial level, they'll have like the main level, and then as you progress in through the level, you'll learn more things. I think that would be good, but for right now, because like the tutorial level I make would be more so like a showcase, and it'd be like on the rooftops and just show everything that you can do. I mean, yeah, I had to do that. But let me finish this real quick. Okay, so let's delete this and then go show all bones and find the head bone again. Oh, I need to import the, okay, we're just gonna do collision, and then where are my files at? Import here. Mission collision, convert scene unit, gonna create material. Okay. Where's the, there it is, head, and then copy from static mesh, and then do skm at collision. Why is it? Oh, hold on. I need to go to that static mesh and mess with the collision settings, because let me, huh? Wow. Whoa, I didn't know you could do that. That's cool. Okay, so show collision. Okay, so we need to come down here to presets, and then block all. There used to be, oh, there it is. Use complex as simple, and then save, and then go here. Use copy collision from static mesh, skm. No. Oh. Whereas, so I can't do that. I know what it's doing now. So it's using these primitives right here. Dang. Well, let me look at this. I might be able to use it still. Yeah, I think that works though, because I don't really, the hood is only gonna come up to like here, so I don't really care about the rest of it. I have to mess around with that. I did say, yeah, that's cool. You should make like Spider-Man games with like a narrative. I could be voiced. Yeah. Okay, so I have so this is my plan for static. Either, so for the tutorial or the first level, either I'm gonna combine those together, or I'm gonna have like a showcase level for like to show people, and then like an actual level that you play through where it teaches you things as you go through the level. And then after I get that all that done, I was gonna have another like kind of like it more less like a DLC and more like what I want the actual game to start as. And the story follows like a sequence that I wrote out, and I think it's really powerful, and it speaks a lot to the Black experience of being just like us. And I think I know like Black Lives Matter and all that stuff isn't like popular right now, or it's not talked about right now in the media a lot, but still a prevalent issue. And in the comics, like police brutality is the main starting point for like the Big Bang, like how he gets his abilities. So it's at a rally. So basically I was gonna like do the morning, like started it the morning leading up to that rally and everything, and how he gets his powers, and then a little bit after that leading into that level that I make, that'll be like his first outing as Static. That's obviously like a big project, and I don't know if I'll get to all that, but yeah. Is it this way? Oh, I'm going from here. Yeah, but I don't know. I also don't know why it's like. You can be there. Yeah. Also need to mess around with nanite, because I haven't touched that at all, and I really need to look at what you can do with it. Okay, wait, I think I have. Okay, let me go to static and then add a test folder. And I'm gonna import the raincoat test that I have. Right, scene unit, import all. Hello? Okay. Wait, I think it has to be, oh yeah, it has to be a, let me delete this. It has to be a skeletal mesh when I import. Skeletal mesh. Don't create a physics asset, and then import all. Hello? Oh, I crashed. I have about like 10 minutes. Let me test this out and see if it works. Wait, so is this still in here? Yeah. Raincoat FPX. Skeletal mesh. None. Let's reset the defaults real quick. Don't create a physics asset. Scene unit. Don't create material. Find projectors. There we go. So now if I go in here, let me just make like a random material. Let me get like that color, plug that into the base color, and then roughness will do, yeah, that's fine. And then do rain. Oh, that'd be new. There we go. Oh yeah, this needs to be 2. Add it. Okay, so now I need to go in here, create clothing data. And then apply clothing data. And then go into here. This needs to be on this side. There you go. Oh. Hello? Why can't I? There we go. Okay. So now I need to change this. Vertex preview says please change this to like 5. There we go. I just need to do all this. I wish I could do this in Blender as well, you know. It's really hard to see sometimes, like what you're painting, what you're not painting. Okay, let's deactivate cloth. Okay, that's perfect. Now what we need to do is first let me save all. Okay, so let me go in here. So we need to bring one of these in here, and then we need to bring characters, go to static, and then nope, character assets, hat, collision. Oh no, not collision. This. And then here. Okay. And then we're gonna, I'm pretty sure these both have the same pivot points, so we're just gonna copy, right, left. Okay. There we go. And then when we hit play, we'll get to see word. Hold on, let me make sure I set this up right. Ugh, okay. I have to do this again real quick, and then we can test it out. Let's see, head, and then head shape. Or no, copy from static mesh, and then SKM at collision, and then rotate this 90, and then like that, and maybe move it back some. It's like there. So right now what I'm testing is if this primitive, like if this collision is enough to use for the actual like hood physics. If I save that, save all. So now when I hit play, it falls through still. Why do? Hold on. Why does it do that? Wait, what? Oh, wait. Hold on. Details. Physics asset. So what are the information rig? Physics asset here. Shadow. The collision might not be set right here. Physics actor, yeah. Character mesh. Yeah. Now let's hit play. Still falling through. Why do? Hold on. Let me change this to ragdoll. This hat should end up on the ground. Or maybe not. Why is this not working? Hold on. Oh, it might not be generating physics at all. Hold on. Right, and then okay, so let's hide bones. This right here, physics type simulated. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Or oh wait, no, physics type kinematic. Okay, save, and then other channels will be set to default. Oh. Oh, there we go. Hello? Right. It's set to simulate physics, but collision enabled is incompatible. Save. Okay, so that's working properly. Where'd it go? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna move this over here. Yeah, it's working properly. What? Okay. So this needs to be. I'm sending it back to owner. Physics sector. Okay. And then this. Let's just change it to. Like just save kinematic. Save. And hit play. Why does it fall through still? I'm curious. Oh, it might be the settings on this. Physics actor. Allow cloth actors. Collide with environment. Force collision updates. Cloth bend weight. Max distance scale. Did not fix it. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm gonna do show and then hit collision. Oh, it might just be because it's already through the collision. Let's move it down. Nope, that's definitely not it. Okay, it's 133. I really want to get this working. Let me look something up real quick. One second. I'm gonna pause the music. Physics actor owner. Yeah, all that's the same. Let me see if that worked. Nope. Oh. Simulate physics. Turn that off. Collide with environment. Nope. Physics actor. Yeah. What? Okay. How do I get it to collide with? In the physical material and each. All right, I was working. Things your approximate size to show up in the mesh ragdoll. Fine. I don't want the hat to have another, or like the hood to have. Wait, so this right here. Physical type simulated. Should be. Wait. Ah. Hey, it should just fall on top of it. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. I might have just fixed something. Let me just change this back to collision. No. Physics type. Kinematic. Save. Yeah, it just falls through. But this does have collision. Back. Glad you're back. I still can't get this working properly. I'll probably give it about like 5 more minutes of attempting. Hold on. So for some reason, let me move this down. No. Let me move this down and see if it collides with the floor. Okay. Needs to be like here. It does not collide with the floor. Or maybe it does and it's just jank, but okay, let me hide this. And then let me add shape sphere. Oh, okay. Let's go to all, copy this, and then go to, where'd the sphere go? Snap. There it is. Go to all, and here, and then scale this down. Oops. Scale this down to like, where's the scale? Where's it? Do and then scale this down. Okay, so now if I hit play, it falls through still. But both of these have collision. I am so confused. So this physics. Inertia collide. Allow cloth actors. Toggles creation of cloth simulation distinct And avoids allocating the actors entirely instead of just skipping the simulation step. Collide with environment. Collision on the sphere. Default. Just don't block all. It might just be it's falling too fast. Hold on. I think it's falling through it. Nope. Hang on. What are you making now? I'm not making anything right now. I'm trying to get stuff to work properly. This is the testing portion of the stream that I was talking about. For some reason I can't get this cloth to collide with anything. Not even like a normal like actor. Impulse. Collide with environment. Can't collide with part of the environment if total collision volumes exceed per convex. Forces cloth simulation and constant update its external collision performance. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save this for later because like both of these clearly have. Hold on, let me hide this. This sphere and hold on one sec, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to get this to work, but I can't get it to work, and it's probably gonna take me a while for me to get it to work. I'm probably just missing something really small, but I'm gonna do it off stream. But yeah, we got the hat. Hold on, let me go hide this and then hide this. The collision's still there. What? Okay, but we did get the hat into let me just bring this up. Got the hat in here and it looks good. Like it looks really good. Like almost didn't lose any of the detail on the hat. Still need to fix some things, but the hat is weighted as well, so let me show that real quick. We got the hat weighted to static, so it's moving around and all that's fine, good and fine. We just need to get the coat working properly, and that'll take, I'll probably do most of the coat off stream. Tomorrow's stream I'm gonna do some tomorrow's stream I'm gonna do some coding probably with the for the level. I'm gonna sit down today and design the level and everything what I want, or how I want it to be and everything like that. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. Now I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.